La excellence means the excellence. The excellence is observed in our institution right from counselings to interview guidance. We give right from basics to best to the student in a friendly and supportive manner. We have very unique programs to give best to a civil services aspirant. First, we concentrate on giving basics to the students in all subjects through NCERT videos, which will be provided by only La Excellence. So, a civil services aspirant should have basic knowledge in all the subjects.
Timely test series, test-wise, weekly-wise, monthly, quarterly test series. Likewise, we provide test series. We give online support to the students. We provide current affairs. We give NCERT videos. Through all this, we want to achieve only one thing, that is to make the process of this exam easier for the student.